Hey guys, it's Carrie Lynn here for shesaved.com, and today we are at the Hampton Inn in Missoula, Montana. I'll leave exact information down below for you, but we were here for a visit to the University of Montana, and we selected this hotel because it's about 8 minutes away from the university, which was super easy. It's a quick hop over to the university, and it was just really easy. We love Hampton Inns and Hilton hotels, and this one has everything you need. The room is laid out really nicely. You've got your television, your lots of storage space, microwave, refrigerator, and then your little coffee accessories, a desk area. And then out this window, you can see there's quite a few hotels in this area. If you go down a bit further, there's some strip malls, a Target store, some other things, and some really great restaurants very close by. So that was really nice. And again, it's a Hampton Inn. We love these hotels. This is a 2-queen room. Very spacious, and just again, we just love Hampton Inns and how similar they seem to be as far as cleanliness and the staff and just the way they run their hotels. You've got a bathtub with a shower and everything you need here. We also like that the pool was open 24 hours, just kind of an overall great hotel with their breakfast and whatnot. So again, here is a peek at the Hampton Inn in Missoula, Montana. And I will leave all the information that you need down below. This is Carrie Lynn for shesaved.com.